Procentec signed up with MoreApp and built their own on-site support form. So companies can build their own forms, and they also did it. So the technicians who are on site can fill it in using their iPhone or Android phone or tablet.
The benefit from MoreApp is we have a much faster and reliable system when it comes. I spend a lot of time on site and I don't have the time to fill out all the papers. So with the app it is much easier and much faster than using the paper. The interface is we are able to fill out all the information about the job we've just done. We get the client to sign it directly on site and we send it, and then it pops up in the email and it's already done and sorted out for us through Salesforce. So it's very easy.
It is really amazing to be here at the Holland High Tech stand because we get in touch with a lot of interested companies, and Procentec is next to us, and it gave us the opportunity to talk with them in real life.